मुरादाबाद शहर के सिविल लाइन स्थित एसएस चिल्ड्रन एकेडमी गर्ल्स स्कूल में लौह पुरुष सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल जी की जयंती हर्षोल्लास से मनाई गई। सबसे पहले विद्यालय की प्रधानाचार्य डॉक्टर मृदुल अग्रवाल, डायरेक्टर डॉक्टर साधना अग्रवाल ने संयुक्त रूप से दीप प्रज्वलित करने के साथ सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल के चित्र पर माल्यार्पण कर सभी को जयंती की शुभकामनाएं दी। इस दौरान विद्यालय में रन फॉर यूनिटी दौड़ भी आयोजित हुई, जिसमें छात्राओं ने बढ़ चढ़कर भाग लिया। साथ ही बच्चों द्वारा रंगारंग कार्यक्रमों के माध्यम से जयंती के अवसर पर संदेश देने का काम किया गया। विद्यालय की प्रधानाचार्य ने सभी को सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल की जयंती के अवसर पर शपथ दिलाई और साथ ही अपने संबोधन में सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल द्वारा किए गए देश के लिए कार्यों को बताने का प्रयास किया।
I solemnly pledge that I dedicate myself to preserve the unity, integrity and security of the nation, and also strive hard to spread this message among my fellow countrymen. I take this pledge in the spirit of unification of my country, which was made possible by the vision and action of Sardar Vallabh Bhai Patel. I also solemnly resolve to make my own contribution to ensure internal security of my country. Thank you. The country struggled for independence and guided its integration into a united independent nation. In India and elsewhere, he was often addressed as Sardar, which means chief in Hindi, Urdu and Persian. He was raised in the countryside of Gujarat. Vallabh Bhai Patel was employed in successful practice as a lawyer. Patel subsequently organized peasants in Gujarat in non-violent civil obedience against oppressive policies of the British Raj. In this role, he became one of the most influential leaders in Gujarat. He rose to the leadership of the Indian National Congress and was at the forefront of the Quit India movement. As the first Home Minister and Deputy Prime Minister for India, Patel organized relief for refugees in Punjab and Delhi. He led efforts to restore peace across the nation. A man of iron will, clear vision and restless determination, Sardar Patel has left an indelible impression of his remarkable personality on the Indian scene. Often known as the Iron Man of India, or Bismarck of India. He is also remembered as the patron saint of India's civil servants for establishing modern all India services. His political sagacity, robust patriotism, and consummate skill have made him into one of world's great statesmen. His genuine for organization found full scope in the non-violent struggle under Mahatma Gandhi's leadership. After freedom was achieved, he used all these great talents in welding India into one unity. The administrative unity that he brought about is a glorious chapter in the Indian history, for which he will always be remembered as the builder and consolidator of New India. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel has been rightly acclaimed as the architect of India's unity. One of the most important landmarks in the history and his greatest contribution was the integration of the states. He wanted the process of integration to be achieved with goodwill and support. In the minds of the people of India, the Sardar stands as a symbol of natural unity and discipline. The people who worked with him remember Sardar not only for his state's certainness of his superhuman organizing ability, but also for the deep faith and compassion. He inculcated a great sense of self-reliance in the people. So, the best tribute that we can pay to this great son of India is to transform the administrative unity that he brought about into emotional integration and
इस दौरान विद्यालय के सभी शिक्षिकाएं और भारी संख्या में विद्यार्थी मौजूद रहे।